In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Slack. Integrating these two powerful platforms can significantly enhance your team's productivity and streamline your communication. So, let's dive right in and get started with setting up this handy connection. First, you'll begin the process directly from Slack. Open your Slack application and make sure you're signed into your workspace. It's important to verify that you're in the correct workspace where you want this integration to occur. Once you're in Slack, look over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that to open the Apps section. In this space, there will be a search bar that allows you to look for various applications. Here, type in HubSpot. As you type, Slack will generate search results. Select HubSpot from the list. Once you've clicked on the HubSpot app, you'll see an option that says Add to Slack, or it might be labeled as Install. Click on this option to begin the installation process. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account. Do so using your login credentials. Slack will now request certain permissions. These are necessary for HubSpot to function correctly within your Slack environment. Make sure to review these permissions carefully. Once you're comfortable with the permissions requested, go ahead and approve them. Congratulations! You've successfully installed HubSpot in Slack. Now let's move on to connecting Slack with HubSpot from the HubSpot side. This step might vary slightly based on your specific HubSpot subscription and your particular integration settings, but we've got you covered with the general process. Begin by opening your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the interface for the Settings option. Click on that, and it'll take you to the Settings area of HubSpot. In this section, you're looking for something labeled as either Integrations or Connected Apps. It's where HubSpot lists all the platforms it can work with. In this area, use the search function to locate Slack. Once you find it, you'll want to connect your Slack workspace to HubSpot. This usually involves another set of authorizations. Authorize the connection by following the prompts. This ensures that information can flow seamlessly between HubSpot and Slack, allowing for integrated notifications, updates, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot and Slack. By enabling this integration, you can now enjoy enhanced functionality and greater efficiency in your day-to-day operations. You might see increased productivity as updates and notifications from HubSpot now flow directly into your Slack channels, making staying in the loop easier than ever. Thanks for joining me today, and happy integrating!